Now that most of the framing is complete, I thought it'd be a perfect time to give you a quick little tour of the inside of the house and show you how everything's shaping up. Now, this is the original part of the house, and very little has changed here, but you can really start seeing the difference between the old and the new here in the area of the original kitchen. Looks pretty small right now compared to what we're working with here. This is a gigantic kitchen, and the design team at Marillac Cabinets and Better Homes and Gardens magazine is working right now on the plans to create the perfect family-friendly kitchen. Now, speaking of family-friendly, this is the family room that looks right out onto this large porch. It's going to be screened in, and you have access from the kitchen as well as the master bedroom suite. Now, one area that nobody in the family is going to want to hang out in is this area. It's the laundry room. Fairly good size, and we got plenty of natural light that'll be coming in from a window we'll be installed in there real soon. Then, for the guest, a little guest bathroom. It leads right into a very private area, which is the master bedroom suite. Nice size master bedroom. Again, leading out onto the porch. Then you definitely have a nice size closet in here, a walk-in closet for her, and a slightly smaller one for him. Then you lead right into the master bathroom. We're still tweaking this design, but we have plenty of room for two different lavatories, toilet, tub, as well as a shower.